The next topic is joint probability. Joint probability is probability of 1. So for an example, first I toss a coin. What is the probability that it will be a head? 1/2. What is the probability that the first one will also be a head, and again when you toss it's going to be a head? 1/2, right? Yeah, see, you have done tossing once, over. Now again you're going to toss. What is the probability that again when you toss it's going to be a head? 1/2 again. Now what is, see, for an example, what is the probability that it can be the result can be head or a tail? Now next time when you toss, again it can be a head or a tail. It can be a head or a tail. What is that you are asking for? When you toss, it should be both heads. What is my total number of outcomes? 4. And what is the probability that it's head? Can I say it is 1/4? This, rather than doing this, I can do this. Look into it. What is the probability that it can be a head? 1/2 multiplied with what is the probability it's going to be a head? So the answer becomes 1/4. You got? Now see this particular question, illustration 6. They're saying in the first year there is a probability that 60% of the sales will be 10,000 units and 40% of the sales will be 60,000 units. That means I know my sales will be either 10,000 or 6,000 units. They are telling you my probability is 0.6 and 0.4. Then they are saying if the sales are high in the first year, that is what, if it is 10, they are saying the sales will end up becoming, there is a chance that it will be 70% of the chance will be 12,000 units next year or 80,000 units the next year. That means, can I say the chance of having 12,000 unit sales next year is 0.6 into 0.7. The probability of having 8,000 units, look at it, the probability of getting 10,000 units is 6. That is, my sales is high. And what is the probability that it will be 80%? It's a 30% chance. So that will be 0.6 into 0.3. If they are saying the sales is low, what is the probability that the sales will be low?
0.4.
0.4. They are telling if the probability is, the sale is low in the first year, there is a 7,000 units which I can make, and the chance is 50%. And there is a chance that I might be making this my answer. So do the total. That will be 0.42, 0.18, 0.20. Now if they ask you a question, what is the probability that my sales will be lesser than 12,000? Can I say these three put together? Can I say what is my probability that the sales will be more than 5,000? Can I say this, this and this? What is the probability that it's going to be 8,000? This is how the questions are going to be asked in joint probability.